Okay, number 8 on the QR code review wants us to graph f of x equals 6 times the sine of pi x. So before you begin, you should remind yourself that this number sitting out in front is your amplitude. So that's going to be the absolute value of 6, which in this case, of course, is just 6. And then to get the period, we're going to take 2 pi, since it's a sine function, and divide it by the number that sits in between your trig function and your variable. So therefore, it looks like we have a period of 2 radians. So remember that that represents radians, okay? Then you're gonna make your graph. So we wanna make one full section of this graph. We have to start and end on a distance of 2 radians. So let's go 0 to 2. Halfway between, of course, is just 1. Halfway between that is a half. And then 3/4 of the way would be 3 halves. Okay, so that's pretty easy to do. Your amplitude is 6, so that means I have to make this worth 6 and that worth -6. And once I've done that, I can do a basic sine curve. So I'm gonna have a point here. So middle, high, middle, low, and middle. So then just connect the dots with this beautiful curl looking curve there. And that's what you'd have to do to show that you can graph that function right there.